So today we're at Upstairs, which if you know Bills Waikiki, it took over the Bills spot. But actually it's the same parent company, just a new concept to deal with the post-COVID world, because their clients used to be mostly from Japan and Australia, and obviously right now the tourists can't come, especially from those two countries, and so they've gone with a menu that they hope will be attractive to local people. And so this is going to be our second time here. Last time we tried a lot of the specialties from Sushi Sho and Hachibei, which are collaboration restaurants. And so starting from scratch, those older restaurants and familiar restaurants are going to be the draw. So that's kind of what we came for, the Sushi Sho, bara, chirashi, and the Hachibei dishes. And now we're going to see what this restaurant has to offer.
Yay! I heard that they're going to add more restaurants to collaboration collaborate with.
Yeah,
maybe later on.
So I don't know if it's like on a monthly or quarterly basis, but we'll see. Yeah. So the ramen is very chicken.
Yeah,
it's layers of chicken.
So yeah,
Oh. Oh.
This is
It's chicken broth and egg.
chicken broth.
If you need more flavor, you can add the yuzu kosho, because it just brightens everything. The yuzu kosho adds a lot. If you want to be healthy, they have this salmon salad.
Yes. There's other dressing actually.
Last time we had a
What is it?
carrot dressing.
Yes.
That was kind of like a courtesy, just in case you wanted to try it. But the real dressing that comes with this is more like a Thai style fish sauce kind of dressing with onions.
Yeah. There's a little fish sauce. Just like that.
I'm thinking if you don't like fish sauce, you could probably request the carrot sauce.
Right.
How is the salad tasting, ladies?
Oh, good.
Wonderful.
You know, could you have the carrot sauce? Can people request?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, okay.
So if you wanted to just sub the carrot dressing, yes. Did you want to get a small ramekin of the?
Yeah, thank you.
This is good, but it's no, this is too like it tastes like I feel like I should be eating the Vietnamese thing.
Yeah. But the salad itself is clean, so you kind of want a clean dressing with it. So I think the carrot fits much better because it's fresher tasting. The salmon is already fishy, so you don't need to add fish on top of fish. But it's still tasty.
Yep.
Especially if you don't mind your fish sauce. I'm gonna start on the kalbi, one of my favorites. It's good, like salty shoyu, but pretty typical. We are cutting into the burger now. Maybe it looks juicy, but I don't know if it's even. It's really good.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this one.
Yep. Don't knock your water over.
I mean, not at all, but I can taste a little bit, but because the sauce, the sauce is really strong.
It has a
strong to me.
It
feels the smell.
Yeah, it's a barbecue sauce.
I don't feel I don't really
Not
taste that much gamey sauce.
Not a really strong barbecue sauce,
Sweet, yeah.
but the flavor is there. So
I like this burger. I think it's a little bit dry, but it's not.
it's a very juicy burger. So it's very wet.
I like the sauce. Good.
tomato, a lot of tomato, and onion,
That big one too, right?
bacon. We're so excited about dessert that we ate the whole thing without sharing with you. But dinner has come to an end, so I'll just see you next week. Okay, bye.